Brian, this is Scott, and we're here at Bud's Chev for the Show and Shine. This is our 2019 Grand Sport. We love it. It's the last year that they built the Grand Sport. That makes it really special. It's got tons of space in the back for your luggage, coolers for when you're touring. It goes like stink. Love it for that especially. And we love all of the people here at Bud's. They're terrific, and we're having a great time.
Hi, my name is Buck Fraser. I'm the president of the Stoney Creek Corvette Club, and we're here at Bud's Chev. This is the 2008 Z06, 600 horse. Bought it here at Bud's Chevels. These people are the best.